If you're a content creator, freelancer, or anyone who works with data in Notion, Airtable, or other platforms, ChartBrick makes visualizing your data easy and powerful. Notion doesn't let you create charts directly, but with ChartBrick, you can connect your data from Notion, Airtable, StackBy, MySQL, CSV, or JSON, and build beautiful charts without any coding. Choose from 7 chart types including column, bar, line, pie, donut, funnel, and radar to bring your data to life. You can embed these charts anywhere, like Notion pages, websites, or blogs, or download them as images for presentations or reports. ChartBrick respects your privacy and does not store your data. Plus, it updates charts in real time, so you always show the latest information. With lifetime access starting at $49, you get unlimited charts and embeds with no restrictions or branding. Don't miss your chance to make data clearer and more engaging. Check out the purchase link in the description below and start visualizing smarter today.